Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and in this episode, where are we at today? 452. Is it 452 or 450? Yeah, 452, man. Will Ethereum get over 1K again? Technical answer for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you hit that like, that sub, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join me on Twitter. Links also in the description. Hey, Hurricane T, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. On that note, let's go and check out the technicals. Stream element, Sensorismo 1. You can tip the State of Crypto using this link. Yo, Sensorismo, I haven't done this yet, bro. I'm sorry about that. You told me it would take me a couple seconds. Tell me where, man. I'll do it right now. I'm here, man. I'm here. You know. I'm sorry about not setting up the troll box, dude. You know, I didn't have time. Last night I ended up really late. Today, it's Sunday. I had to spend time with the kids, but I guess I gotta make an account, right? First of all, so let's make an account. Sign in with Twitch. 1 second. It's almost there, man. It's almost there, dude. Authorize Twitch. Alright, dude, I think there it is. I just said authorize Twitch, so I think it's there, man. If you want to check it out, it might be already up. Hurricane T, everything is pumping. Yeah, a lot of things are pumping, except for Bitcoin, right? It's not pumping a lot. Hey, Steve, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here. He tells me that Twitch, the State of Crypto, so it should be logged in already. Yeah, well, at least it tells me I'm logged in, so I'm not sure if that's enabled now, but, you know, it could be. Hey, Soka, how's it going, man? Yo, by the way, I was looking at Ethereum earlier. I guess Ethereum was pumping, dude. It was doing good earlier today. It felt so good getting to the $1,000 level mark, man. Ethereum is garbage. Let's watch ADA and call it night. Dude, ADA did pump also, dude. So I'm happy for you, Steve, dude. Type in join in the chat window. All right, cool. 1 second, bro. I'm trying to get this done properly. Alright, so you said type in something join. Hi, Don and ADA can go in a week. Well, we'll look at that in a second, Steve. Sorry, Hurricane. Yeah, the problem is I don't see a chat window for the bot, right? So I opened the link that you sent me. All I see is this. I don't see a chat window. right? So I cannot chat with the bot yet. Let's see, whispers. Nope, nope, nope. Chat. Here we go. Now it's gonna let me chat. No, that is the other one. I think it's hosting someone. Yeah, it takes me to someone else's stream though, right? So if I do that, it takes me there, right? Alright, you said I have to type. Okay, got it. Sorry guys, I have to set up Trollbot real quick. Join. That's it. So let's join the channel. I have to go to my channel, I guess, and do the last step. Go to my channel and say mod Trollbot. That's fine, dude. I don't have time to do the video tutorial right now. All I can do is this, right? So I go mod moderate plus Trollbot coin. There you go, man. It's done. So I just did those little things that you asked. Thanks for that, man. I hope we can get this going, right? The tips going there on Trollbot. Thanks for that. Anyways, Crow jumped 19% in seconds. Wow, that's awesome. We're gonna check out Crow as well. What? Someone tipped? That's awesome, bro. Sansarismo, thanks so much. You tipped some troll. That's pretty cool. I'd never gotten a troll tip before. I'm not even sure where I can do with troll. So that's interesting. I gotta figure out what troll is good for. Pause and give you a few dollars worth. G. That's awesome, bro. Thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. First of all, let me find my trusty pen for this. Taking notes today, so it's over here. That's fine, dudes. And let's get the show rolling because we're already did a lot of time right now. So hi, Dot and ADA, right? We'll look at ADA, then we'll look at Dot. Let's look at market cap, see where it's at. What is happening with market cap on the daily, man? Well, money still flowing into the cryptosphere yesterday, 5.95%, and today still coming in 1.23, sitting at $885.31 billion. That's a lot of money still flowing in. Nothing bearish happening. Overbought at 85.25. On that note, let's go check out the Bitcoin dominance, which is at 70.26. Yeah, 70.26% of market cap. We did get pullback yesterday, so that means Bitcoin lost dominance, which is fine because we know a lot of alts pumped, right? And that's something that I told you guys. We lose money, it means money's going to flow out of Bitcoin, or if we gain dominance and then alts lose money, right? So that's a way we can do it without raising market cap. But market cap rose. Money still came into Bitcoin, but not as much as it went into other projects. That's why, you know, Bitcoin's losing dominance. Yesterday lost 3.03%. Today losing 0.13, sitting at 70.26% of market cap. Futures market is open. Look at that huge gap we're living here, right? It's a big gap, right? So I'll go there, I'll copy that, place that there, and make it slightly larger. There we go, man, right? Gapping. Futures at 34,000. Where's Bitcoin price right now? $33,430. Something's going on in the chat. Give me 1 second. I'm making the pause. Yeah, Troll is good for many things. Honestly, it's a nice project. The more you learn, the more you like it. Sure, that's awesome, dude. Instead of crypto, leet. Someone just tipped leet. That's awesome. He says I got some lead troll, dude. That's pretty cool. And then I got 3777. That's pretty cool, man. Thanks, Sensorismo. Make it rain. All right, so you made it rain on 7 chatters. That's awesome, dude. I didn't know there were people watching on Twitch. That's cool. If you're watching on Twitch, thank you for being here. It's awesome. I know troll. I have to figure out what troll's good for. What is happening with Bitcoin, dude? It's what, Steve? We still made an all-time high. We're still making any all-time high, but closing, right? Not all-time high wick, but still moving up, dude. So, you know, still going higher, right? Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Overbought at 88.68. There's really nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. On the 4-hour, we're moving above the 33,209 area, which is fine. Again, trying to use that area as support. It became a slight resistance. Now it became support and trying to pump up, which is fine. Again, higher, possible as possible. All right, so we created some bearish divergence last night. Right here. You're probably gonna wonder, why is this one orange? It's simple. It's an orange because I was charting some stuff when I was off the air, and I usually do it in a different color. That way we can keep track of what we talked about when we were live and what we didn't talk about, right? So if it's an orange, it's stuff that I did off the air. So higher, lower, that gives us accountability, right, on our predictions and where we thought prices are going to go. I never change stuff off the air without shifting colors or doing it in a different color. That way we'll always know what's going on. So it was bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, we moved down that. Again, to the bot area, we hit 64.64, and right now we're staying at 67.74 on the RSI. So still bought and trying to pump up again. Could it pump again? Yeah, it could do a micro pump to the 35K area, right? Create more bearish divergence, probably break down from there. So 35K could be an interesting target. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart because there's really not a lot happening here, right? High, higher, negative, positive, low. Higher on there, so yeah, slightly higher. So on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, dude. On the 1 hour is where things got interesting. We're live here, midnight, right, or close to midnight. We still managed to pump for 2 more candles. We still created this bearish divergence to here. You know, we're already looking for that bearish divergence, and that's what's moving us down. Now, why are we holding support? And this is what I came to chart earlier, so I was doing my own thing of the air. Basically, I wanted to know that this was going to be able to hold. Crypto Boss Andrew, hey, how's it going, Andrew? Right, so I wanted to see if this was going to hold. It seems to be holding, right? We took that pop, rejecting out of 20, which would be the target, right? We did hit, again, some resistance here, like I said. We're not hit the 20, move down. Again, trying to find support here at 33,090. And we were right? We said we were probably going to retest 33K, which we did. We actually went slightly lower. On this way, we moved to 32,300, right? And we're moving higher. So no worries. I'm still above the 31,432. That would be my potential exit, right? At least for the last amount that I added. And with that, we don't have anything else. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, there's a hard point. I was really hoping that this was going to close slightly lower. Right? A close here at 32,500 would have been awesome. Would have given us some strong bullish divergence for a pump, but we don't have that right now. All we have is this going on. And, yeah, Spotify ads. Great stuff. Right on. So with that again, potential action to the downside. Neutral at 54.76. Now on that note on Bitcoin, that's it. Let's go check out. Ethereum. On Bitcoin, just watch out for this potential cross with MACD going over the signal line, right? That could bring another pump again. Remember what I said, Bitcoin has been running on hidden bullish most of the time, right? Hidden bullish, hidden bullish, hidden. We could be setting up for another movement to the upside. Ethereum at $991.53. What is this madness? Where did Ethereum go? Well, it did hit the 1K mark. It actually went slightly higher at 1,014, and that is fairly good. It did manage to pump up a lot today, in the day, or yesterday in the day, right, on the 3rd. It was a 26% pump. At some point in time, it probably was about a 30% pump. I remember seeing that. I'll just go from here and measure just so we're all clear on the percentage that it actually popped when it was waking up here, right? It was like, look, that there, 30, right? So I remember seeing 30. So I was looking at the chart. And we're hitting that target. Look, 981, right? We actually closed slightly below it at 979. So it did become a resistance. Now it's becoming a potential support. We're open slightly below it, but it could become a support, right, that area. And we could be moving up again. We closed very, very close, like $2 within $2, right? Almost. So that's fairly good. I don't think we have a lot of targets to the upside. Next target will be at 1,153. And Ethereum has recovered very well, almost to its 100% high, which is fine. We'll do here some fibs and see where we're at, right? From high to low, we've recovered almost to that 76%. So we recovered almost 78.6% of the way. You know, we were not quite there, but we could get there when we get to Well, let's see, where is this at, man? I'm trying to pinpoint it at 1,136, right? And again, do we have a target near there? Yeah, we did say we have the 1,153. So very, very close to that 786. Probably going to have that double resistance there. Not worried about that yet. Super happy for Ethereum. And what it's doing with my wallet, right? Now, let's go to the 4-hour chart. What is happening on the 4-hour, dude? Again, bearish divergence. Move down slightly. Taking a pop, right? On support. We had this yesterday, yeah. We had this yesterday, right? Look, we moved down slightly again, right? We're live here, starting to move up slightly. And we're like even watching it as we're breaking above, what was it yesterday? Like 800 that I wanted to get above, and we just wicked it at like midnight or something. Or we just got close to it. And then I left because we weren't going to get there. So we're going higher, definitely, right? And, you know, this bearish divergence that we're looking for, it just completely died, right? And Ethereum went like parabolic. So that's fine. It's going higher even than back here on the RSI. So it's fine. Again, Ethereum pumping. I'm happy with that. No worries. We don't have anything to call here that's bearish, except that we're just highly overbought at 88.78 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart, we did get that move down around 2 p.m. We didn't create anything else. We're just finding support at the 20. This would have been like around midnight, I guess. Yeah. So we're like on that way to 800, but we didn't quite get there until midnight, right? We wicked it, and then, you know, we just closed there, moved sideways for a little bit, and then we really just started to move up. So it's really, really cool. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, and set to higher point. So up to this point here, it's fine. Now to the next point, right, from here. Right. High, higher, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point, bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside, breaking slightly below this 981 area, but we're really reclaiming it. As you can tell, it became a resistance here, and we're just barely getting above it and opening up, so it's very good. Again, do we have something else? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side? Nope, that's fine. We don't have anything bullish. We're just still running from the strong bullish divergence that we had back here and bouncing out to 20, right? So that's fine for Ethereum. Holy smokes, what? Sansarismo is tipping again. That's cool, bro. Dude, a lot of troll raining, I think. And then Andrew saying he might go live again if Ethereum breaks 1K. Looking great. Yeah, it's there almost, right? $5 away. That's why my name of the stream is, will Ethereum get there again? Yeah, I think so, dude. We're flagging, right? Prior to the stream starting and up to this candle, I was like looking at the flag formation. Impulse up, consolidation, down sloping, looks really nice, and waiting for that pop, right? That pop will probably create some more strong bearish divergence. Mark my words. What do I mean by that? Well, this is going to go slightly higher, going to come slightly lower and slightly lower, and with that, we're going to be creating that strong bearish divergence for potential movement down again. Probably a retest of this area, 981, but well, we'll see how strong this pop comes once we break 1,000. What? Sansarismo, again, another awesome tip of Troll. That's awesome, bro. Thanks so much for that. Sansarismo saying, Troll coin tip bot is pretty cool. Thanks, bro, for considering the glory of it. Yeah, dude, that's awesome, dude. Thanks so much for that. Much appreciated. All tips are extremely welcome. Less than pound sign and less than 2. Oh, typo, haha. Heart. Awesome. Yeah, thanks, bro. Much appreciated. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I never used Trollbot before. Someone came in here a while back. They told me about it. I opened a tab. I just never got around to installing it. It was one of those things that wasn't the back burner, but I just never got around to it. Thanks so much for actually insisting, and now I was able to do it. Arcadium is here. Awesome, Arcadium. What's up, bro? Thanks for that awesome tip. I think you were the one that asked me to actually do this a while back. I just never got around to it. Right, so moving slightly higher now, right? Look at this. We just pulled back slightly, but we're going slightly higher here, right? This is what I'm worried about, right? The bearish divergence that could develop here in Ethereum. Right, and then we might get that move down, right? But that's happening there, right? Again, potentially we saw that move down slightly, so Yo, now is the time. Yeah, dude, Sansa doing the Lord's work. Thanks for trying it out. Yeah, bro, thanks so much for actually insisting. I opened it since you told me a while back. And I had the tab open on the side of the chat. Because I have the chat up here, right? And I have the Trollbot tab right next to it. I just never got around to installing it, you know. And I'm glad I did, man. Thank you guys so much for that. I'll even try to see if I can analyze Troll, because I'm not sure if it's quoting on any of the exchanges that are here. But yeah, awesome, bro. Thanks so much for the awesome tips. Right. Bitcoin Parabolic Ethereum next. Doggy Pampin. Midcaps next, then shitcoins. I'm excited, but still not sure alt season is upon us. No, I don't think alt season is upon us. Trollcoin isn't chartable yet. Oh, okay, that's cool. Ethereum's already pumping, right? It's already starting to go up. Doggy pumped yesterday, or 2 days ago. I'm not sure if it pumped yesterday or how much it moved. I didn't look at it today. And yeah, but it's good. John Smith, what's up, dude? John Smith with his Ripple logo and something else next to it. Bitcoin and Ripple, I guess, or something like that. I can't tell the first logo. It's just too tiny on the chat. But Ethereum at 991, right? We're rejecting it a little bit. We're probably going to get above the 1K area again. That's fine. You know, we're flagging, looking good. Taking a huge percent pump today, right? We talked about like a 30% at some point in time. Right now, it's just 26 yesterday. It's already pumping 1.29, so it's very, very nice. Ripple, oof, yeah, I know. Ripple's performing extremely bad. And that's what we're going to actually go check out right now. Ripple, XRP. What is XRP doing? It's 3.14. It's a meme. It's a meme. Dude, I couldn't tell, man, but I just saw those like the Triskel or whatever they're called, the triple scallions. What's happening with XRP, right? Getting above this area here, the 22.6 cent mark, sitting at 23.09. We have immediate resistance at 24.62. And again, I do believe this is pumping because Ethereum and some other alts pumped, but this is just as much as XRP managed to pump, right? On the bad news that it has. That bearish divergence, you know, dying out, sold still at 33.82. Let's go to the 4 hour again. This coin's in a lot of trouble, man. How to convert your Bitcoin to XRP. Alright. Yeah. We had the strong bearish divergence. Sorry, hidden bearish divergence. Actually, the downside moved down on that. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. There's a hard point. So nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Getting above the 20, which is the only good thing. But other than that, really not a lot happening here. Just neutral at 50.60 on the RSI side. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour XRP, we had that bullish divergence, you know, riding that to the upside, which is fine. We didn't create anything else. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there's such a higher point. Don't see anything bearish yet. Also, high, higher, high, higher, high, higher, right? Now, high, higher, high, lower. Oh, strong bearish divergence. Haha, you're there. So we are developing this strong bearish divergence reaction to the downside. Oh, no. There we go. Starting to move down slightly. We might go to the 22.6 cent area, maybe the 20. If the strong bearish divergence kicks in, you know, it's going to depend on what the alts do. Look, it's not completely pointless. It could still pump, but I just don't believe it's going to pump as hard as other projects are pumping. When Arcadium, if you're still here, when is Trollcoin going to be chartable? You know. That's it for XRP. Let's go check out Litecoin. Litecoin at $161.60. It also pumped nicely yesterday, 17%, right? 17.79%. Right now, moving it up slightly also. It's very little, 0.28%. A very nice pump. We're undoing whatever kind of bearish divergence we had here. Or we just might be shifting it, I guess. Let's see. 276. 3. Was this 3? Yeah, 369. Right on, dude. So I'll just move that to there, from there to there, right? So high and low still. And this will just shift from here to here. Right, in that note, we still have that bearish divergence. This is 77, this is 76. So it will also have me drawing another line from here to here. And have it on the daily, right? So we have that bearish divergence. A few months, that's awesome, bro. I'm really looking forward to this project once it's chartable. It's gonna be interesting. What's happening on the 4-hour Litecoin, right? Higher. Are we going more positive? I think so. 252.3, right? So we're looking for some bearish divergence here. We did flag slightly. That's fine. We're taking a pop. So we're undoing this bearish divergence. That's awesome, dude. Everyone's pumping, dude, except for XRP, right? It did take a micro pump, so I guess, you know, some people might be happy with it. We're working on some stuff. Trading is virtually non-existent right now, which is fine, but obviously not for the trading community. Yeah, I get it. Troll is chartable. We'll see here. It's just been a consolidation period for years. Right, I'll check that out in a second. Let me, I'll do ADA dot and then I'll do Troll, because that's how the queue is coming up so far. And then after that, we'll do DBT and RSR. ADA, 40 cents. What? Really? I'm going to check it out in a second. I don't think it's at 40 cents right now. It's at 22 cents. But, you know. Right on. So, you know, we're looking for that bearish divergence. We didn't have it here. Do we have it going higher? Let's see. 148, 127. Right. So we still have that bearish divergence, right, from here to here. Do we have it here? It looks like we also have it here, right? Look. Oh, we still had bearish divergence. Move down slightly. Taking another pop. What we doing, man? Again, we're in a macro bull trend. So, again, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Remember that? Been saying that for a while. So we're in a bull trend. So the bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Bearish divergence strong. Action downside. We did move down slightly. Trying to take another pop. Actually going slightly higher. And look at this. We're still coming lower. So that bearish divergence still very much alive and in play, right? There to there, from there to there. And from here to here. Strong bearish divergence. Now against the RSI. Could we start breaking down? Maybe. I don't like the way Litecoin is flagging, right? It looked like it dropped slightly and then pumped. Ethereum looked a little bit more like a flag, but we'll see what's happening there. Sansa, the eternal optimist. Gotta be. Especially when walking through hell. As a back holder, what I'm really excited for, I'm sure Sansa as well, is Note Blockchain, NTBC. Dude, I looked for that yesterday. I couldn't find it. I think Sansa, Sansarismo asked for it yesterday, and I didn't find it, dude. I was trying to chart it. Anyways, turn to major 2021. The developers come through with their plans. That's cool. I need to find that, dude, because I couldn't find it for reals. DP2. Is that DP short for Deadpool? Because that would be awesome. Deadpool be here. I shoot you in the head. Small Deadpool, man. If that's what DP is for, then that's good. Digital prices, major fundamentals in the background. You've just been working hard. Yeah, that's cool, man. Rebrand DP into Deadpool Sans. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Sounds very said under certain control. That's awesome, dude. Thanks so much for that awesome tip. Some all exchanges. That's cool, man. No way. Just went fresh new banner last night. That's cool, man. I have a lot of Deadpool, dude. Like it's like the number one. Cheap China. This is one good. Yeah, like in case Deadpool. I have a lot of Deadpool around the office space. There's a lot of Deadpool back there as well, on the boxes, and then a lot of Deadpool here watching me stream. That's how I keep the pressure on, dude. If I don't do it right, you know, Deadpool's gonna shop off my head. So on the 1 hour, bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Let's go check out Binance. On the daily, dude, pumping more, dude. It did get to a new all-time high. Look at this beautiful stuff that it did yesterday. $43.99. Where were we at before that? What was the all-time high? It was down here, man, right? At 43.11. So new all-time high for Binance, which is still moving bullish, and I like it. Binance is moving good. I mean, it was struggling for a while here at 28, but look at that nice pop. We don't have anything bearish against the RSI. We do have something against the MACD. Let's see, 663, 669, also slightly higher, so nothing there. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We do have some strong bearish divergence starting to develop, but again, don't put a lot of weight on this one because we just got to cross a couple charts ago, right? A couple candles ago. That's what I want to say. What do I mean by that? High to low. Right, high to low. So that's why. And with that, we have that potential fraction to the downside. But, you know, it's just potential because this could go on building. And it's really pumping, right? Has a lot of strength there. Sanserismo saying digital price for future. GD's moving gift instead of crypto, 10% of market cap. Holy awesome, dude. Sanserismo, I have to admit, Deadpool is the only movie I ever could not finish watching. I turned off the first 5 minutes. I should give it a second chance. If forgiven, if I see the new light. Make it rain, 117. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, thanks for the rain. Dude, yeah, Deadpool's like I like Deadpool a lot. Like, besides Spider-Man, I would say it's my favorite character. I have a lot of Deadpool comics around the office too, man. Or, you know, books or whatnot. TPBs or whatever you want to call them. So, Deadpool, right? A lot of Deadpool in the office, dude. I think it's one of my favorite like comic book heroes because he does break the fourth wall often, and it's really really funny, dude. It's like a non-censorship, so I like that fact about Deadpool, right? It's you can like watch it. It's definitely not for kids, right? Nothing that Deadpool does is for kids, but it's really cool, man. Fox has a gem of a movie. I know, dude. Especially the first one is really good. The second one's also cool, but you know, just the fact that Ryan Reynolds is unfiltered, that it makes it so much more fun. That's it for Binance. Let's go check out the 1 hour Binance. Higher, positive, less positive, right? So we're still going higher here. I was worried that, you know, Deadpool didn't win an Oscar. It should have won an Oscar, I think. I'm messing around, dude. That was a really good movie, though, and the special effects are really good on it. Like, it's still, like, very sarcastic, so if you like that, you know, really good. Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Very likely. Let me check. 29, 20, very, very slightly lower. So I'll just exaggerate it a little bit so you can still see it. But, you know, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. That's it for Binance. Now, on that note, let's go check out ADA. Because it was requested first. That's the reason. A lot of chat going on. What? Jump movie. And then Steve saying, whew! I remember years ago I left the theater because I felt I was making fun of things you found important. Like it's like a bitch typing. I even not like on the screen. I was still like the perfect Deadpool 2. I know, dude. Oscar commission and got no sense of humor. I know, dude. And I can't even think about a better actor. Yeah, I know. I don't know even what it was care so much about. You're just dumb sometimes. Look, dude, you gotta like when you see Deadpool, just watch it with an open mind. It's funny. It's quirky. I think it's one of the best Marvel movies out there because, you know, they really did a good thing with that character. You know, Fox. I can't remember if it was Fox or something. I think it was Fox that had the rights. Did the right thing. They even made the movie R-rated, right? And they even made Logan R-rated, right? And Old Man Logan or whatever was the third one of Wolverine. But they made it extremely good because they really did what they needed to do to get the movie to be at the level that it needed to be. Now here comes Disney buying Fox, and they're gonna screw up the franchise because they don't want to do R-rated movies. And if you actually have Disney Plus, you're gonna notice that Deadpool is not there, and you'll see Wolverine, Wolverine Origins, the Immortal Wolverine or whatever the second one is. And then you'll see that the third one, Old Man Logan, is not there because it's R-rated. They don't want to put it in their platform. So for me, it's just a little bit weird that, you know, they're like that. But again, it's Disney, so they'll do what they want. I think they still believe that they can have comedy and have everything be great without actually going to the R-rated territory. Who knows? Just going with an open mind. Yeah, I agree with Steve. Just going with an open mind. And then Cesar saying, it's been a fresh cup of tea, and my tea bag says, forgiveness is an act of consciousness. So I'll take that. And forgive the movie. I don't even watch that much of it. Yeah, if you don't want the first 5 minutes, just skip over it. I made kombucha. It came out good. I have a second batch already, like, fermenting or brewing or whatever. It's nice. It was years ago. Yeah, dude, it was probably... I think it's a really good movie, man. Anyways. Where is ADA at? Dude, it already hit target. Right, next target. Look, we moved down. Find beautiful support here at 17.67 cents. To that nice pop. Closed, gain 16%. Today, pumping 7%, right? Steve, you're going to the moon, bro. Don't forget about us, us poor non-ADA heathens, non-holders. Right? Where did he go, man? He hit 22.5. Right now, 22.2. Rejecting resistance, we know that. There's something else to the upside. Yeah, the 1618 and then 28.29, right? That would be the next target to the upside. Let's go back here on the daily again. Right, but again, we have this positive, so I'm skipping over that. But from back here, or back here actually, the high, right? So low to high. I'll just go from here, right? So from here. And this already played, that's why I don't want to move it, but I'll just, I'll put a new one, a new line here. From here to here. I don't like it when the charts get cluttered, but you know, it gives purpose. Right? We do have this positive momentum here, so I'm going to delete it. But again, if you didn't want to consider that, that would be the line there would be trading, because you can say they're tiny islands, right? But this one against the RSI is very much visible, and I would be going much against for the RSI than just you know, this move here, because there's two bars here. Wow, we got to 100 messages. That's really quick, dude. We've been live for 37 minutes, and we're already at 100 messages. That's awesome. It was years ago. Kombucha's amazing. Nice. Yeah, dude. I know. I make it myself. I bought raw kombucha, brewed tea. I brew my own SCOBY, and I'm doing fun. I'm doing fine with that, actually. They'll launch an adult Disney streaming service under a different name. Probably Disney XXX. You know, you'll see Aladdin doing Jasmine and stuff like that. I think they'll launch an adult. Yeah, tip instead of crypto. That's awesome, dude. Thanks for that tip. So you're right. That's awesome. Don't have enough ADA. You want to give me some recipes? Some recipes for kombucha? Yeah. I just do the basic one. I do about 3 quarts. I brew. I think it counts Twitch as 2 each. Not that kind of adult. I know. Yeah, for 3 quarts, I grab and brew or boil 3 cups of water. Just, you know, brew 5 tea bags of Ceylon black tea or whatever that one is for 15 minutes. All right, I don't care about the. You don't get any nasties with the black tea, so it's fine. Not like green tea. 15 minutes. Then I add about I can't remember the amount of sugar. I need to check out the recipe, but I wrote it down. It's about a cup or half a cup of sugar right into that black tea, and then I just top it off with a lot of cold water, so you can get to 3 quarts. So that will be about 11. No, not 11. 9 more cups of water or something like that. And then you get your 3 quarts, and that's it. That's how I do kombucha. And then I just put the you know, the raw kombucha in, or you know, the SCOBY in, and I just let it brew for about 7 days, covered with the cloth and like a rubber band, so no nasties get in there. But yeah, it's good, man. It's good kombucha. I like it. After 7 to 10 days, you taste for flavor and. So if you want to keep it on going, and if it's vinegary enough for you, it's good, man. I like kombucha. It's healthy. It's good. That's it for ADA, man. On the daily, let's go to the 4 hour. We had this channel, remember? We broke it with strength and we moved to the upside. Yay. Here, we're still not at 22.54. But here it shows that we already wicked it, right? So it's weird. Again, the daily has probably data that's off. I'm not sure. High, higher, positive or positive. High there is a hard point. Nothing bearish there, man. Extremely well for Cardano. Not bearish just in the 4 hour. Still going pumping. Let's see how it works. How it behaves. Bought at 78 point. Overbought at 78.59. Ethereum at 1,000. What, Andrew? If you're still here, Ethereum's at 1,000. I'm gonna come back to Ethereum right after ADA, dude. Let's go to the 1 hour. High, higher. 246. 239. Slightly lower, right? So here we're coming higher. So you know, I like the fact that we're getting to resistance with bearish divergence. That's going to give us some action or resistance there, right? And potential movement down. But it's really not that much. We can easily break it, right? That's why I like it. Look, this is 00246. This is 00242. So it's almost there, right? That's why I said you can break it. And I like it because if we burst through this without divergence, we could really just push through. Yeah, Ethereum at 1,015, dude. Yeah. Thanks, JK, for that. What else? Let's see. Then once your kombucha is ready, dude, you can add fruit or ginger and fruit and other stuff onto it. Let it ferment, countertop for on a bottle or mason jar. That's why I do a mason jar. For about another 3 to 4 days, maybe 7, depending on how much you want the flavor to develop. And just make sure you burp the jar daily so you don't build up a lot of pressure. If you have an airlock, you'll be fine. But yeah, just put whatever flavor you want. Whatever's in there will feed off the yeast, and the yeast will feed off whatever sugars you still throw in there, and you'll get like flavored kombucha. Ginger is good, yeah. You gotta stay as alkaline as can be. Right on. I'm not sure how alkaline kombucha is because it does develop a lot of, I think, acetic acid. So it's a little bit more acidic, right? That's why you get vinegar. Yeah, acetic acid is what you make. That's where you get the vinegar from. So I'm not sure how good it is for you if you want to stay alkaline. Anyways, that's it for ADA. Let's go check out Ethereum. That's what we said we're going to do. At 1,009, it's pushing back down. Oh my goodness, why? We have bearish divergence. We talked about that when we did Ethereum, right? So if you're watching the show, I said 1,000, right? That was the name of the stream. We started, at 9. We weren't above 1,000, but I was pretty sure we were going to get above 1,000 again. So we had this very, very nice flag formation here. It was very possible. They're going to move to the upside on that, right? So that's good. Again, I knew we were going to move up, create divergence, which is what we have. I would love to get a candle close at 1,000. That would be bullish, I think. We might move down afterwards. That's fine. Maybe to the support again at 193 and then try to pop. But I'm finding this to be bullish and of my liking. So it's very nice for Ethereum. Let's go do DOT. That was the next request. You drink ounces of apple cider vinegar a day? Right. So if you can do that, I mean, yeah, could be good for you, man. Who knows? Ginger's fine, dude. And then, depending on the mangoes and how ripe they are, they can be less acidic. You can put apple, or a little bit of apple juice, right, and cranberry juice, or some berry that you could use to balance out the sweetness of the apple, and that'll be also a good mix for kombucha. You can put apple slices; it would be better, but you won't get a lot of that apple flavor. You can use it yourself, the apple, with a juicer. Yeah, you'll be good, man. And like I said, right, some berries will also be good for that. That's it for Ethereum, dude. Let's go do DOT again. Awesome. DOT. Where's the dot at? It's pumping 2.97% today. Yesterday, it didn't pump that much. It just pumped a little bit. Where are we at with dot in the daily, man? We don't have a lot going on for dot in the daily, right? Yeah, we didn't have a lot going on. You're seeing those massive moves, right? Yesterday we were here. We did manage to move above that 2.27 area. And for dot on this chart, it's an all-time high. So, you know, not a lot we can do. Just, you know, try to gauge where we could go. Price discovery for dot, I guess. Now, if you look at this, we have bearish divergence here. On the RSI, right? Overbought at 77.25. That is that potential for a movement down happening at $10.39, which is where it's at right now. Let's go to the 4-hour dot. We had this bearish divergence moving down slightly. Right, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We created this hidden bullish, right, which was fine. We called that on the first. Taking a bounce to the 20 also, and beautifully moving up. Again, resisting 927 briefly, and then really just bursting through, which is very, very nice. I don't like the fact that we're coming higher. And right now, this is starting to develop, though. It's 2 candles, but again, just keep in mind that right now we have this strong bearish divergence in play. That is starting to develop on the 4-hour chart, right? That could start to bring some pressure for the price action to go down. Still yet to be determined, though. I think this one I didn't anchor. Yeah, this one I didn't anchor. So there's that potential for this to start feeling some pressure and maybe moving down. It already wicked 1050, right? So it's moving down from there. So again, just keep in mind this, right? The bearish divergence, it's a catalyst for a potential moving down, maybe, or flag to form before we keep on pumping. Can it keep on going? Yeah, we just got this cross, right? Again, the last candle, it became green, so it's good. I'm not super worried yet, but it's just something that should be on the back of your mind that there's a chance that this could start to go down, right? It can still go up a lot, but there's that possibility. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour, we had this bullish divergence here. Since then, we've just been on the rally. Let's find that high. Dude, we have this island. Should I ignore it or consider it? I ignored it for ADA. I'm going to ignore it here. Short term, though. I said I was going to ignore that because we do have this island here. So this is what I'm looking at, right? That bearish divergence. Strong against the RSI and then short term against the MACD and the RSI also. For that potential for action to the downside now. On that note, could we go down? Yeah, we can start to feel some pressure for this to start going down. This island is developed. It's starting to die down a little bit. So that's why it's on the 4 hour. We can start seeing that pressure also building up. And that could be a short-lived one like this one. But again, on that note, sitting overbought at 70.38 on dot. So again, remember, we're in a bull market, and things can still go on pumping because market conditions are extremely bullish, and therefore bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Just because we have them does not mean we gotta actually obey them and have the move. It could be a small move to the downside, like we had here, right? A small move to the downside, then finding that support and pumping, right? Or the 4 hour. Where was it that we had it right here? Look, that small move to the downside, right? And then pumping, right? So, yeah. Doesn't have to be like a crash or a massive crash. Troll. Yes, I got a link for Troll earlier. Wow. Cool. So, Contrary Pro snapshot of Troll, which I guess is fine. Let me see if I can zoom out here a little bit here. That's fine. 0.00003 sats. I guess this is against Bitcoin, right? I'm not seeing it. Yeah, against Bitcoin. Sorry, sats. So we're seeing it at sats, right? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. All right, so 3 sats. That was the price of Troll. Had some nice spikes way back here, right? Not even seeing where they stopped. They probably went higher. 7 sats. 70 sats, sorry. That'd be really cool. Anyways, again, I cannot chart it here with what I have, but it's fine. Here's a full scalable chart if you want to zoom out. Yeah, awesome. Thanks for that, man. Appreciate it. Definitely want to check it out and zoom out. So it's one of those that I'm gonna have to actually pop out and do separately, because you're not gonna be able to see the whole thing on the stream, because you can, as you know, you never see 100% of my screen. All right, so at some point in time it did go really high. When was this, dude? A couple days ago, September 19th. Wow, that's a massive pump. To 13,000 sats. That's insane, dude. Even this one's nice, right? At 3,000 sats, but right. So one set right now. Alright, not the end of the world, it's okay, you can still bounce from there. Do we have something bullish? Let's check out indicators for Troll. MACD and RSI. Make it green columns. There we go, man. 130 sat, not 13,000. Yeah, 130 sats. Yeah, I forgot that they added you know, extra zeros there. Thanks for the awesome tip, dude. Much appreciated. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So there is some strong bullish divergence building here. All right, there. We also have it here against the RSI, so this isn't a daily. There's a chance for action to the upside. We did take that pop. We went sideways here, right? Now we dropped, right? So we created that hit medium bearish potential action to the downside just against the MACD, not against the RSI, and that just moved us down to one side again. So it's good, man, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we get there. I mean, it did get to 3 and then pull back down. It's okay. High, higher, possible positive, high on their side to hard point. Nothing there. Low, lower. Negative, yeah, negative, low, lower. Nothing on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Oh, the 1-hour chart doesn't look too pretty, right? Flat lining, that's actually higher. So high to low, negative, less negative, right? Some strong bullish divergence from here to here, and from here to here. But again, you know, when there's such little market cap for it and volume, it just makes it really hard to actually gauge. Because we don't know if this is really going to trigger, but there it has bullish divergence, right? It should be on a potential move to the upside. That said, that's it for Troll. Let's go check out DVT, man. Currently bottoming out at 1 sat as the floor. Troll coin going to 0 confirmed. 0.9999. Yeah. Let's go check out sorry, not Dot. DVT, man. Let's get the MACD and the RSI out here, right? Columns, green. There we go, that's fine. Alright, so what's going on here? It's at 2 sats again. Awesome. It did go to 2.1 sats and stayed there for a while, so. High, higher, possible, high on the RSI to our point. Nothing bearish there. Alright, sideways. Low, high, right, so low, high, right. So here we're going sideways on the price, right? At 1.6 sats, right? Flat here. And then we go from negative, less negative, and low on there, so to higher points. So medium bullish divergence, potential action to the outside. I think that pop on DVT. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Right on the 4-hour, we're flatlining here, right? Sideways here at, like I said, 1.6 sats. And go negative, less negative, low there to the hard point. Again, medium bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. I think that pop. And on the daily, right? We don't have anything on the daily. Low, high, negative, less negative, low there to the hard point. High, low, negative, positive, less positive, high there to the lower point. Nothing right now happening. The last thing we had was from back here, right? And what we called this plenty of times before. So, from here to here, and from here to here. So we had that hidden bearish. Moving us down slightly, but 2 sats is very good for DVT. It has a lot of potential, right? Particularly at Bitcoin current prices. This one someone asked for Rumpel coin, but here we go. Look at up 27%, right? At 6, right? I got in at like below 5, so I'm doing really, really good on my DBT holdings, right? I've talked about that before. Yep, really, really good, man. That's awesome. I wonder if this is gonna load properly. The other day, right after the stream ended, the lights started to go insane. Not yesterday, 2 days ago. Like they were like, you know, flashing in and out, and I'm not sure if my wallet was able to, you know, sync up 100%. I think it's stuck, so I might have to delete and reinstall, which really, really blows because I wanted to check out my DBT holding is not connecting to peers, so that's what really sucks. My Devault wallet, my DBT wallet. My PC crashed, so I have to like clear everything out, reinstall, and just leave the wallet thing there, and it'll be fine. Let's go check out RSR, dude. See how that's doing. I hope Boomer is out of RSR because it started to pump. So I'm happy. All my investments are doing good right now, and I'm glad I got out of XRP. That treacherous coin did a number on my income for a while. I was really pissed at it. But now I've forgiven it because I came out positive on it and, you know, let the past be living in the past. Currently about alright. Yeah. What wallet? Yeah, that's it. I'm caught up with the chat. Making sure I wasn't missing out on anything. Daily for RSR. Yeah, look at this. Going higher. At some point in time it was going up here. You all know my entry was this green line. It took me a long time of holding and pain to get back here. We'll measure the time it took me. I got in this day, to here. 125 days, man, of holding. Right? Not that long. I held longer for XRP, but still longer than I usually like to hold anything that I do on trading. So one time it was 24%. Right now it's still a good chunk, right? I'm not mad that I haven't cashed out. But still around a 10% pump. Not that bad, right? That is nothing. I know, Steve. I know. Where is RSR at, dude? Higher, positive, more positive, behind another higher point. Overbought at 77.92, so nothing there. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had bearish divergence developed until 6 in the morning. And that's what started to like really bring the party down, man. I hated that because this happened at 4 in the morning that week. And I was fast asleep. I was like, damn it, dude. Why wasn't I awake? 93. 94, slightly more. So nothing against the RSI, just against the MACD. Sorry, nothing against the MACD, just against the RSI. Strong bearish divergence. I should have moved down slightly, you know, hit my entry level again and take a pop, so it's fine. Wallet 67.55. I can still go higher, man, right? It's consolidating. And this, I forgot to anchor. I forgot to anchor. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI, lower point, right? Bearish divergence against the RSI only, right? We didn't have it against the MACD. Still wasn't good enough for us to move down slightly. And look, we're neutral at 55.82. Could still go up. Yeah, it's trying to hold on to 20. It's starting to get a squeeze of the Bollinger Bands. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? Some hidden bullish divergence, and probably part of the reason that we're getting this move to the upside. So I'm happy with it, right? It can still go higher, so it's all good. Steve, think of all the 2017 bag holders. Yeah, I know. Let's see. I hope that it's able to stay above its all-time high and keep on pumping. It will make me really happy to see this project pump. Pump it, man. He dumped the bags. Pump it now. Sensorismo. Is NTBC quoting anywhere? Because I couldn't find it here on TradingView, and I really didn't go dig for it. I think by the time I asked, you weren't here. So if you're here with me still, let me know about NTBC and DP, because I really want to check those out as well. I don't think we had any requests, but so there, I cannot see any of them here on TradingView, right? Bitcoin at 33,601. Why not? It is the most liquid and Dodge pair at unnamed exchange, right? All right, that's probably why I can't find it. Bitcoin good, man. I like Bitcoin. It's doing good. Got above the 20 on the 1 hour, dude. It hasn't got anything bearish right now happening, except for this bearishness. But you know, you can still go on this in bullish and really burst when I move to the upside. DB hasn't been trading for a year until just a week ago, so the market is super underappreciated. Big potential with leverage in both of those, right? But what exchange, bro? I want to see if I can get into the projects. You can also join me on Discord and send it there, right? That'll be awesome. And if you're watching this stream live, make sure you hit that like, that button, that sub, right? You know, for being here. Click the 1 day, all time, right? And the chart will come into the picture. I didn't know there was an exchange named Unnamed Exchange. That makes it much more funny. When you said an unnamed exchange, I thought you just meant that was like an exchange that was so little that no one knew its name. But unnamed exchange makes it a lot more fun. I'll join the Discord right now. Thanks for the invite. Yeah, awesome, dude. Thank you for joining us there. Here's a link to DP. Sure, man. Unnamed exchange. I never used this exchange in my life. So NTC Dodge. You said click the daily stuff. So let's go do this here. Daily. Will it bring up the data? There you go. It's not working. Why are you not working? Oh, dude. It didn't want to load. Oh, there we go. It is there now. Great. Alright, so I cannot move the chart. I cannot zoom in or out. It's weird, man. On the daily, all I see is two massive bars. This is so awkward. It's not good. If I cannot look at it properly, it's not good. Alright, there we go, 30 minutes. Some data, but I cannot bring indicators. I can bring some indicators. Right, MACD, dude. Oh, here we go, MACD and RSI. Can I get both? Yeah, it's good. I don't like the way it's showing them, but... Alright, so it looks flat and flat, so not looking too hot. It kind of sucks that I cannot do it in the proper chart. I'm not sure it's an up-and-coming Cryptopia. Sounds the scam. Let's hope so. Move chart with the scroll bars. Click all. Right, so I'll click all. There we go. All. Whoa, I've been using that exchange for a year plus, and you just taught me you can use indicators there. Yeah, they're there. I already clicked all, but it's not moving, dude. It doesn't let me move, and I don't see anything to scroll. It's not... Like, this exchange could really work on their interface, right? To get their charts done by TradingView, that would be amazing, but... Look, the MACD and the RSI are at 0, so we're kind of dead. 10 seconds to load. When load? Yeah, when moon, right? Needs SSD servers. Yeah. Right. Give it time. Alright. Meanwhile, while this loads, you know, do I have it open here? Yeah, it's the last tab. Right on. So I'll just go here again and keep on looking at Bitcoin or something while that loads, because they need a little bit of time. Ethereum at 1,022, still pumping, dude. Yes, it got to high 1,032, which is very, very good. Patience is a form of art and virtue. Yeah, I agree. Not when you want to get out of a position quickly or look at the exchange. Did it? Like, I already clicked it, you know. How long is a little bit, man? Because it's really taking forever, man. That ain't loading. I know. It just says loading, but it's not loading. Let's refresh, I guess. Probably are having problems, I guess. Let's see, daily, and then hit all. And it stays there. Let's see again. Usually I'll never look at the charts, just degen by. Maybe refresh. Yeah, I already did that, man, but I already hit all and it's still loading. I stare at the charts way too much. Yeah. RIP. Yeah, it's awkward, right? I know it's not my internet connection because it's good, it's fast. It's Mexico City, but I can check, see what my speed's at right now. With streaming and everything, it just takes a little bit to load the speed test, but once it loads, it usually goes fine. Wow, probably is my internet connection. I'm not sure. I doubt it though, because TradingView is still working and I'm still streaming. So, oh, there we go. It's gonna load. Let's see. Oh, dude, no, it's probably not my internet connection. Let's see a little bit to load the page for some reason. And it's a moment, apparently. Alright, so it's not my internet connection. Still fairly good, so. It still says loading. 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 Right, so I cannot look at this. I'll try to do some research on this project, see what they're about. I don't think you posted the link to the DP. It just said there it is, but I don't think it came through. Maybe check in a minute. Yeah, got some juicy internet. My name is full on block folio. Oh, I want this quick. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Thanks. Yeah, it's not that expensive though. I pay very little for internet. I think I'm paying around $25 a month for that speed. I'm not sure if that's cheap or expensive, but I used to have symmetrical internet, and that used to be a little bit better. And, all right, let's check this one out. Sato Exchange. There's so many exchanges out there, man. It's so crazy. Alright, so this is just alright, let's go to daily, see if we can get better charts daily. Might look a little bit better. Wow, it's very choppy and blocky. I don't like it when it's like that. Alright, let's get some indicators out here. There we go. You're paying $60 for a bit less? Damn FCC. Yeah. We're paying 120 for fiber in Austin, Texas. Well, mine's fiber also, but you know, it's fairly good. You got right by moving to Austin, you hope worthy because He built an LLC to promote NTBC while down there. That's awesome. You really built a limited liability corporation to like promote a token? That's cool. Right, so let's see this, man. What are we doing here? High, low, low, high, right? Some hidden bearish divergence. That's the first thing I'm looking at. I cannot do lines here, I guess. Is it going to let me draw? Nope. Right, but see, at least the charts here are provided by TradingView. This is what that other exchange should be doing, right? They should get their charts provided by TradingView, right? Even though they don't appear in TradingView, it's just like TradingView does the charting, I said. So that would be really cool. Steve, dudes, on YouTube, anything else you want to look at? Because no one's saying anything, but, you know. You are the president. Right, that's cool. ADA? Sure, I'll do ADA again. Moon. Yeah, we can do ADA. Oh, dude, I talked about Doge, right? We didn't look at Doge, and it was pumping yesterday. Moon now? Right, so I'll come back to this. 23. Dude, I pumped. It got above that area. Remember how I told you getting above this area and closing above would be bullish? Yeah, I'm looking at ADA now, Steve. I know. Just give me a second, man. I'm here. Oh my goodness, it's pumping so hard, man. It's gonna burst. Right on. It is taking a 3% move, right? I already talked about this, man. Moving above this area, it's bullish. So, and closing above this area is still bullish. Again, we'll be on target to hit 28 or at least 26.92. That'll be a good move, right? Let's percentage that. That'll be a 15% move to the upside. That would be really good. Now the question is, do we have a lot? The problem with TradingView is that I cannot go farther back because at some point in time it just doesn't load data, right? We saw that with Bitcoin. So I'll try to go way back there. I'm not even sure if it's going to load. It's just loading from June 2020. I don't think I can get more data here. Right, so I don't know whether or not we have other stuff there, right? So let's do auto and then that's it. So the only thing I can do is go into 4 hours. Probably look a little bit farther back. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the time frame that I want to look at. There we go. This could definitely work. Because now I can see data in between here. Current price, right? So look, Steve, look at this, right? It was a straight shot from here, 28, all the way to 22, right? That's what I'm saying, that a pump from where it's at right now all the way up here could be a really quick pump, although we do have some resistance here that we were hitting and we've likely gotten above right there at 23.10. We're at 23.19. You're making thousands of cents. That's awesome. So again, the move, if it pumps, if it gets out of this area, it's a quick move here, man. There's no resistance, there's no friction. Right, it's gonna be a good pump, right? Just keep that in mind, guys. If it closes above 23.10, good chance it could really shoot to 28.29. We do have the 161.8% of the way at like around 26 and fraction of a cent. Beginning of that area would be nice. And then here we do have a lot more that we can work with, right? There might be some support resistance around this area. Look at this, right? A lot of hits, right, on wicks here and wicks here, right? Right about there. So this would be a good area for this to happen, right? And there could be something here, maybe at 25. Like we do have a bottom here, but you know, it doesn't seem to be like a lot of resistance at this level. Here we can see a lot more bounces, right? Probably also something here. Yeah, around here, I guess. Right, 29, right after getting above 28. That could be a good one here. More or less where this settled, right? So you get bounce, resistance, right? Support, resistance. Then maybe something up here after that. Right around 37. But this area here, from 23 to 28, it's free. It's free to run, dude, and be free and pump wherever it wants to pump. Let's go back on the daily. It's rejecting slightly, dude. Get above, come on. We still have a couple minutes to go, right? Ethereum at 10,030. Very nice for Ethereum, dude. I'm liking it. And, you know, still that bearish divergence still in play, right? That's for Ethereum. Bitcoin, 33,400. Again, Bitcoin, look, remember what I said yesterday? For us to pump, Bitcoin needs to sort of stabilize. Look at what's doing. We're moving sideways at this level. Maybe it looks like we want to consolidate this area slightly before we actually move up again. But that stagnancy of Bitcoin is giving alts a chance to breathe and move. And that's what we want to get, is for alts to start like really shifting, right? Anyways, let's go back here. This never loaded, by the way. So I'm going to close unnamed exchange. Let's go with this one. I was doing this on the daily. High, low, low, high. Low, high. Some hidden bearish divergence, right? For potential action to the downside. There might be a reversal happening here. It doesn't show the price line, but it's at 6 sats. Here it was at 2 sats. So it's good. It's a good. It took it a nice pump. Could it go higher? Probably did, right? Could at some point in time revisit 100 sats, which would be really nice. Let's wait for Deadpool, man. The 1 hour says invalid symbols, so I can only look at it on the daily, I guess. It's starting saying invalid symbols, so that's weird. Let's go over here now. Steve, thousands of cents make money, right? Cents make money, cents make change, and change makes money. Ethereum 10,032. So far, so good, right? Even Bitcoin is almost 1% up, so it's not bad, man. It's not bad. Bitcoin at 34K again. No, sorry, 33,400. I was looking at the futures, and I was like, oh, 34K, man, that's good. But no, it's this one. Futures market's still high. Huge gap we gotta close, right? Worried about that. Alright, so I'm gonna start doing markets real quick. If you guys got any requests, let me know in the chat. Y'all check out whatever coin you request. Gold, look at its all-time high, previous all-time high, right? So we've got a new all-time high here. The old all-time high was 1,922. We're seeing it 1,921 on a nice small pump. Now that pump, it's still getting us this bearish divergence. Overbought at 66.17. Let's check out silver. Where's silver at? Pumping still, right? We still had bearish divergence, stagnated for a little bit. But opening the new year on a strong foot, and we still have that bearish divergence against MACD. Let's see against the RSI. We no longer have it against the RSI, so that's fine. Potential action to the downside on the divergence. Right? Maybe some resistance starting to build there. Dow! It hasn't opened yet because we're on Sunday, and that's it, dude. That's the only thing we can look at. Gold and silver. Dow Live might be open. Yeah. This one's moving up slightly. That's fine. We did manage to pump up higher. Still making that negative momentum, right? And still coming in lower. So bearish divergence still in play. Once this turns and shifts and goes crossing, we could see a potential action to the upside happening. That could be today. Steve, did we look at Crow? No, dude, sorry about that. I skipped Crow. Let's check out Crow. Thanks for keeping me honest, Steve. Let's do Crow, because I forgot. Crow. Did we look at this before? Crow USD, probably, yeah, here it is, Crow. I actually have 2 Crow opens. Let's see which one we looked at. Crow, I think it's this one. Has the data until December 11th, and then this one doesn't. So yeah, that's it. This one at 6.76 cents. That's good. Lower, right? Again, there's divergence from here. Shifts to there, right? That tracks onto there. That tracks onto there. Bullish divergence, strong. Action to the upside. Trying to take that pump, but really failing. Pumping 13%. I mean, it's a good percentage pump. Again, it doesn't look too good because it's only getting above the 20 though. Not looking too good because we're creating bearish divergence. Low, higher, low, or high, positive, less positive. Right on the other side, we're fine, neutral. 57.03. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Looking at a massive pump right now, 13% on the last 4 hour candle, which is good. So you'll hear on the 4 hour, man. Steve saying, I didn't think so. I've been on 88, troll box memming hard. That's cool. Hello, right? Bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside, right? Starting to get this red candle coming in. We could flag slightly on that pull. Right, bull pull. Let's make a flag and then try to pull again. Bought at 68.22. That's about it here, man. Right, we had a bullish divergence, take that pump. Right, that's the last thing we called. There's nothing bearish until right now. And again, this is the second bar, right? So 1, 2. We're just starting to build this positive momentum, which is fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What else is happening here? You got the NTVC Dodge to load. Maybe my rhyme was full. Maybe. I'm not sure. Dynamic Motorsport Experience. ETH, gang. What's up, dude? Yeah, we already looked at ETH. I'll look at it again, though. Steve can't find out why, other than alt. Yeah. Let's go on the... This is from the daily. Forgot to anchor it there, so... It's coming on to the 1 hour to mess around, so that's fine. Look higher, positive, more positive. High narrows at the lower point. We do have some bearish divergence against the RSI, right? Not doing the flag though. I wish we would be making, right? It looks exaggerated to downside, but you know, it did pump 17%, moved slightly down last minute. But I would love if this flag would have been a little bit. We can still keep on building it, right? Pump back up, pump back down, and make a better flag. But right now, it doesn't look like a good flag right now. It's just short term, right? Boom, boom. 2 moves down. First one very pronounced. Second one looks like it wants to do the same thing. Bought at 68.57. Let's go back to Ethereum real quick because it's a pumping coin tonight, right? It's a hot coin of the night. And that's why the stream was named after Ethereum. So, yeah, still at 1,030. Bearish divergence still there. It's all good. Dynamic Motorsport Experience. Sorry, guys. It's all good. Dynamic Motorsport Experience. We have nothing. We're pumping. Finding support at 981, right? We had bearish divergence. This from a time scale, I guess. Nope, it was from here. Why did I not delete this, dude? When I did Ethereum, the first pass, right? That one higher, so it shouldn't be here. We kind of lost that, so that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Last thing we called here was bullishness, right? Do that nice pop, and then again, nothing bearish happening short term. So even from here, right? Higher, positive, more positive. High there, so I do higher point. Even from back here, higher. So it's all good. Now, the only thing I don't like in the 4 hours is that we're highly overbought. Ethereum on the 1 hour, right? Look at that. Bearish divergence, right? It's starting to build here, and we still not moving down, right? And again, we're in a super bull market. We're going parabolic. When that happens, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. But we're going to have to get exhausted of just pumping, right, before we actually move down. So that's for Ethereum. That's it for Ethereum. Something on the Discord. Here it is. Ooh, dude, cool. Sensorism will send me the chart and see if I can look at it here. I'll actually have to open it up. Different window. Now, this did go high against Dodge, right? And I can tell whether or not we have divergence or something like that, but Looks like we probably created some bearish divergence here. Certainly be a catalyst for that strong move down that we're seeing. Now lower, I'm not sure if this is bringing some strong bullish divergence because we did take a massive drop. And it could be that we've went over whatever divergence, maybe short term here, we could have some strong bullish divergence on the chart. And it could be catalyst for action to the upside, right? We'll have to like keep on tracking. This could be interesting for the project. Looks like a buyer's market. Yeah, Nitro, what's up, dude? Morning, night? Yeah, morning, night. Night for me, morning for you, probably. We've been live today for about an hour and 25 minutes. Yesterday was a good stream. Tonight it's going to be shorter than usual, right? If you guys like what we do, hit the like that button, that stuff. I'm going to be signing off here shortly. There's stuff I got to get done. Tomorrow's a work day. There's stuff I need to do. Have dinner, primarily. So, that's awesome, Nitro. I'm about to sign off. If you only get something, let me know right now. I'll do it really quick, and then after that, I'll sign off. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. And thanks for the good vibes, dude. Bitcoin finding support. 3,309. Now is your chance to defeat the monster of bearish divergence and push through and plow with a sword of bullish divergence. Yo, fine, Steve. Thanks. Just waiting for Nitro to say whether or not he's going to request something. Otherwise, I'm going to be signing off. You're having fun? Yeah, I'm having fun, dude. It's getting that time to say until tomorrow. Sorry, guys. Thank you for being here. Again, this is Set of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Sunday night of magnanimous pumps for Ethereum and other projects, right? What? Something here. I got some yesterday, but lost it also yesterday from BitBoy. Getting massive airdrops from Bit Token. What? Where? Thanks, JK. Dude, Steve, say something on the Discord, man. And then, naturally, I got some yesterday, but lost it also yesterday. How do you lose it? Guys, on the Discord, right? I'll keep it going on the Discord. Oh, that's cool, man. Thanks for letting us know, Steve. Dude. It was a paid thing. Anyways, yo, guys, thank you for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like that on that sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. I hope you found the content to be entertaining and educational, either or both. So if you look at what we do, you know what to do. And I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. On that note, I'll catch you tomorrow.